Sub-element, 7, Practical Circuits, Section, T7A Station Equipment, Receivers, Transceivers, Transmitter Amplifiers, Receive Amplifiers, Transverters, Basic Radio Circuit Concepts and Terminology, Sensitivity, Selectivity, Mixers, Oscillators, PTT, Modulation. Question Alpha 01, which term describes the ability of a receiver to detect the presence of a signal? Answer is B, sensitivity. Question Alpha 02, what is a transceiver? Answer is A device that combines a receiver and transmitter. Question Alpha 03, which of the following is used to convert a signal from one frequency to another? Answer is B, mixer. Question Alpha 04, which term describes the ability of a receiver to discriminate between multiple signals? Answer is C, selectivity. Question Alpha 05, what is the name of a circuit that generates a signal at a specific frequency? Answer is D, oscillator. Question Alpha 06, what device converts the RF input and output of a transceiver to another band? Answer is C, transverter. Question Alpha 07, what is the function of a transceiver's PTT input? Answer is B, switches transceiver from receive to transmit when grounded. Question Alpha 08, which of the following describes combining speech with an RF carrier signal? Answer is C, modulation. Question Alpha 09, what is the function of the SSB/CWFM switch on a VHF power amplifier? Answer is B, set the amplifier for proper operation in the selected mode. Question Alpha 10, what device increases the transmitted output power from a transceiver? Answer is B, an RF power amplifier. Question Alpha 11, where is an RF preamplifier installed? Answer is A, between the antenna and receiver. Question Bravo 01, what can you do if you are told your FM handheld or mobile transceiver is over-deviating? Answer is D, talk farther away from the microphone. Question Bravo 02, what would cause a broadcast AM or FM radio to receive an amateur radio transmission unintentionally? Answer is A, the receiver is unable to reject strong signals outside the AM or FM band. Question Bravo 03, which of the following can cause radio frequency interference? Answer is D, all these choices are correct. Question Bravo 04, which of the following could you use to cure distorted audio caused by RF current on the shield of a microphone cable? Answer is D, ferrite choke. Question Bravo 05, how can fundamental overload of a non-amateur radio or TV receiver by an amateur signal be reduced or eliminated? Answer is A, block the amateur signal with a filter at the antenna input of the affected receiver. Question Bravo 06, which of the following actions should you take if a neighbor tells you that your station's transmissions are interfering with their radio or TV reception? Answer is A, make sure that your station is functioning properly and that it does not cause interference to your own radio or television when it is tuned to the same channel. Question Bravo 07, which of the following can reduce overload of a VHF transceiver by a nearby commercial FM station? Answer is D, installing a band reject filter. Question Bravo 08, what should you do if something in a neighbor's home is causing harmful interference to your amateur station? Answer is D, all these choices are correct. Question Bravo 09, what should be the first step to resolve non-fiber optic cable TV interference caused by your amateur radio transmission? Answer is D, be sure all TV feed line coaxial connectors are installed properly. Question Bravo 10, what might be a problem if you receive a report that your audio signal through an FM repeater is distorted or unintelligible? Answer is D, all these choices are correct. Question Bravo 11, what is a symptom of RF feedback in a transmitter or transceiver? Answer is C, reports of garbled, distorted, or unintelligible voice transmissions. Question Charlie 01, what is the primary purpose of a dummy load? Answer is A, to prevent transmitting signals over the air when making tests. Question Charlie 02, which of the following is used to determine if an antenna is resonant at the desired operating frequency? Answer is B, an antenna analyzer. Question Charlie 03, what does a dummy load consist of? Answer is B, a non-inductive resistor mounted on a heat sink. Question Charlie 04, what reading on an SWR meter indicates a perfect impedance match between the antenna and the feed line? Answer is C, 1:1. Question Charlie 05, why do most solid-state transmitters reduce output power as SWR increases beyond a certain level? Answer is A, to protect the output amplifier transistors. Question Charlie 06, what does an SWR reading of 4:1 indicate? Answer is D, impedance mismatch. Question Charlie 07, what happens to power lost in a feed line? Answer is C, it is converted into heat. Question Charlie 08, which instrument can be used to determine SWR? Answer is D, directional wattmeter. Question Charlie 09, which of the following causes failure of coaxial cables? Answer is A, moisture contamination. Question Charlie 10, why should the outer jacket of coaxial cable be resistant to ultraviolet light? Answer is D, ultraviolet light can damage the jacket and allow water to enter the cable. Question Charlie 11, what is a disadvantage of air core coaxial cable when compared to foam or solid dielectric types? Answer is C, it requires special techniques to prevent moisture in the cable. Question Delta 01, which instrument would you use to measure electric potential? Answer is B, a voltmeter. Question Delta 02, how is a voltmeter connected to a component to measure applied voltage? Answer is B, in parallel. Question Delta 03, when configured to measure current, how is a multimeter connected to a component? Answer is A, in series. Question Delta 04, which instrument is used to measure electric current? Answer is D, an ammeter. Question Delta 06, which of the following can damage a multimeter? Answer is C, attempting to measure voltage when using the resistance setting. Question Delta 07, which of the following measurements are made using a multimeter? Answer is C, voltage and resistance. Question Delta 08, which of the following types of solder should not be used for radio and electronic applications? Answer is A, acid core solder. Question Delta 09, what is the characteristic appearance of a cold tin lead solder joint? Answer is C, a rough or lumpy surface. Question Delta 10, what reading indicates that an ohmmeter is connected across a large, discharged capacitor? Answer is A, increasing resistance with time. Question Delta 11, which of the following precautions should be taken when measuring in-circuit resistance with an ohmmeter? Answer is B, ensure that the circuit is not powered.